This is Manny with Massage Magazine, and I'm here at the FSNTA show with Michael Waters from Thumper Massage. How are you today?
I'm well, Manny. How are you today?
I'm having a great time. How's the show going for you?
The show's going really well. It's great to see all our friends in Florida and have the therapists come in and hear their stories of all their successes with Thumpers and their patients.
What kind of success are they experiencing?
Well, you know, we see a lot of different and hear a lot of different stories about how it helps them to work more efficient, become a better therapist because they're able to save their hands. And that's really what a Thumper is all about, is being able to work more effectively, treat more people in a day perhaps, treat people more effectively, different conditions that the vibration that the machines produce is just really effective at.
And I see that you're holding this unit here. Can you tell me about this unit?
The Thumper Sport is the newest Thumper massager. It has been designed for therapists, but it's also a great retail product as well. It has a really attractive price point. It's a high-performance tool, so a therapist could use it easily in their practice, but it's also something that is reasonably priced so that they can recommend it to their patients and their clients to use in between visits.
And how does the therapist use the product in their practice?
Well, like any tool or any modality, there are times and places for it. Any stroke that a therapist could do with their hands, a manual stroke, you're going to be able to recreate with a Thumper. It just takes a little bit of what I call outside-the-box thinking. Within 4 or 5 days of purchasing a Thumper and incorporating it into the practice, it becomes second nature. So it's a very easy tool to bring into a practice. But as I said before, it's a very effective tool, makes them work smarter, makes them work more efficiently.
Michael, does the therapist use the tool before, middle, after? How does that work? What's the best way?
There's really no best way. It can be used before, it can be used during, it can be used after as a cool down if you wish. 10 years ago, if you and I were talking, Manny, I would say, hey, the only way that you would use it would be warm the patient up before the massage, then you put it away. What we're finding now with talking with therapists and some of the research that's been done, there's a lot of different conditions that can be very useful with the Thumper during a massage. Trigger points, adhesions, range of motion. So instead of using your thumbs and your hands, why not let the machine do the work? Don't wear your hands out, wear the machine out.
So it's a way for them to also take care of themselves and
That's
their
right.
body.
That's right. It's all about working more efficiently, working more effectively to get those outcomes, to get those better outcomes.
And then I think you also mentioned that if the client likes the unit, they could purchase from the therapist?
Definitely. We have a lot of therapists who do retail these to their clients. Therapists feel that it's an excellent way for patients to continue their treatment at home. So when the patient comes back for the next visit to the therapist's office, the therapist isn't going back over and over the same condition. They can treat it at home with the Thumper. So each visit, more and more is being progressed. There's a progression of treatment.
Michael, sounds like the Thumper Sport here is a great unit. I know that you have many other products. If the therapist wanted to learn about all of them, how would they do that?
There's a couple ways that they could contact Thumper. They can go to our website, which is www.thumpermassager.com. They could call 1-800-THUMPER as well and talk to one of the girls in our customer center and get all the information they need.
Michael, thank you so much. It's always a pleasure seeing you.
Thanks so much, Manny. Pleasure.